I like these empathy lessons because it teaches us all these big subjects in one video, like writing, math, and reading, and kindness. And we get to explore around the world without leaving our classroom.
And giving them a video with little to no narration at all, I think that changes a lot of things for them, because now they're doing all the heavy lifting.
By taking out the dialogue and just having the music and the moving image, it's a perfect way to connect that part of our brain that does the emotional learning and development.
The student has a more emotional connection to the lesson, and they would be able to be more engaged.
They can connect with something outside of just a textbook.
This is what we do in real life anyway. Why not do it in school and build on that?
I liked using the videos to learn math because it showed in other people's perspective how they use math.
I feel like I've changed kind of from than what I've used to from the empathy videos. I feel like I'm a better person than I was before.
Because it kind of shows what you can do to change the world.
Both times today that they were doing a math problem, I walked around and every single student was engaged. Then you look at all the big problems we face, the tools that they need to fix those problems, they're getting them in school. And being able to teach empathy lessons and having these lessons available gives us, the teachers, the tools to give kids the tools. And that's super powerful.